Hi, my name is Layla Shaver with My RA Lawyer. Today is April 6th, about 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I am time-stamping this video because there are a lot of changes happening to the Payroll Protection Program on any given day. Now, as many of you know, on Friday, April 3rd, the major banks began accepting the Payroll Protection Program loan applications. Now, while there have been lots of media coverage about how much of these loans have been applied for, this is the real truth. A lot of banks are waiting for the SBA to provide actual numbers to assign you a loan number. The banks that have told their applicants that they've been approved are actually taking the risk upon themselves that the SBA will eventually give them a loan number and approve these loan applications and also approve for the forgiveness. We have been suggesting that you wait to apply for the Payroll Protection Program loan so we can wait for critical guidance to come out from the government. So far, the guidance has changed significantly day to day in the last week or so. We are working with the third largest SBA lender and keeping up to date with their communications with the U.S. Treasury, the SBA, and other members of our government to ensure that when they are able to take applications, they are submitted and approved expeditiously. It also means that by waiting for additional guidance, we're in a better position to get your application approved and subsequently the amount forgiven. And ultimately, that is why many of you are applying for the loan. So, in the meantime, let's get started with gathering the important information you'll need for the application. So there is the borrow application, which we can help you complete. That's Form 2483. Keep in mind, if you have completed the application as of last Wednesday or Thursday, the application has actually since been amended and changed. You probably want to go ahead and take a look at the updated version. Either way, we can help you complete this, so just let us know. You should also get your IRS Form 940, your 2019 tax returns, your payroll reports. You want a driver's license of all owners who have 20% or more interest in the company, and your payroll reports. Now, we still aren't quite sure what the SBA needs to approve these loans. So it's possible that the documents I just listed aren't enough, or maybe they're more than enough. We just don't know yet. So be sure to visit our website, www.myralawyer.com/coronavirus, to get up-to-date information on where we stand with the Payroll Protection Loan Program. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call, 770-462-2118. Our wonderful receptionist will be scheduling a call with me directly for about 20 minutes for us to discuss what's going on with your business. Now, keep in mind, there are other emergency loans available to you. I would look at your county and state to see what kind of grants and emergency loan relief they have. Again, if this is something you're interested in, we are qualified as agents under the SBA guidance to assist you with this application process. So be sure to reach out to us. So again, we're a little bit in a period of unknown when it comes to this program. Like many things that are rushed out very quickly, there's still a lot of practical things to be figured out and a lot of the process that needs to be figured out as well. If you have already applied for this loan, keep up with it. It's still going to be some time before you'll see the loan proceeds, and you want to make sure that you actually receive a loan number. If you have, then keep in mind you are stuck with that lender. Also, we've received communications from several of the leading banks in the country. Many of them are restricting who they are processing applications for For the most part, they're restricting them to current clients that have a loan with them. Some are a little bit less restrictive and saying if you have your business accounts with the bank, they'll process them for you. But most of the banks currently are taking the position that they are not processing applications for people who are not clients of the bank. Furthermore, we received communication from Wells Fargo that they have actually stopped taking any more applications. You may hear about this if you go to Truist, which is BB&T and SunTrust, or any other one of the major banks. They are greatly restricting and making it more difficult for you to apply. And again, it's not because of you. It's because there's been such a lack of guidance, and we're still not sure on what is required to get your application approved and what will be required to get it forgiven, which is the most important part of all of this. So anyway, let's get those documents together, set up your call. We'll be in touch. Feel free to email me, Leila, Leila, at myralawyer.com for any questions. We're in this together. Take care. Be well.